The 79 is back at Creative Conversions for some underbody work.
So now with the exhaust and tune already done, so it's a full remap, just autos. Don't forget the 4-inch exhaust hanging out each side. We brought it back to Creative because we need to start fitting accessories. So straight away, long range tank from Braun Davis. No doubt about it, you've got to be able to fuel this sucker on those big long hauls.
It's a really good tank. It sits neatly under the chassis as well, so it's well protected for all that off-roading he does.
Now, not only is it more fuel capacity on the rear end, but it's also a much stronger tank, so it can cop a bit more of a flogging. You're not going to sort of punch a hole or, you know, split your fuel tank really easily in tough conditions. Now, the other thing we've got is I wanted to have something a bit sort of creative when it comes to the tow bar. Look, every vehicle needs a tow bar, but they just look a bit dodgy. So I found this one from Hayman and Reese, and it's called the X bar. And I'll tell you what, it looks pretty good. It looks like the X Factor. All that we got left is the brakes. Look, let's face it, a 79 is built like a tractor and it stops like a tractor. It needs brakes. So straight away, get rid of the standard rotors and go straight to aftermarket vented rotors, and of course, some heavy duty brake pads. Brake pads that are going to clamp on to give it some serious stopping power, because there's some serious horsepower to go with that.
A lot of work has gone into this truck already, but trust us, for Jase, it is only the beginning.